Come to this side. Wait like this. Bro. Bro, she not even coming in her room yet, bro. Why you pop your balloon, Maji?
She's just not my style, bro. Yeah, her belly big. I don't like that. She kinda have a Humpty Dumpty shape. She shaped it. I mean, I like that. I like my girl and put together perfect.
Father! Whoa! 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 She not in her frame, bro!
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One top coat, you know. You know what I mean? One of my type, you know? Yeah. I mean, I like our overbite. You see it?
What's an overbite?
The buff teeth. I like the buff teeth.
And what type of job do you do, Ali?
Promotion dancing, me.
Your brown skin and it piss me off when I like my skin color as a man.
Him skin color piss you off?
When I like brown skin man. When I like brown skin man. See if you did dark, near me up.
Appetite. Let's go down the line. Come.
I'm done. I'm so upset.
Come. Come.
Novo Pandora.
It's a burger! Banana chip! Yo, I didn't expect the balloon to find love! Kingston, you ready? Yes! Whoa, Kingston, you ready? Yeah. Yo, the energy. What's your man? Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Yo, I feel like I reach 300,000 subscribers. I know you're not subscribe. And every day you want me to drop a video, I'm upset with you. You're not subscriber, you. Rolly, where's the video? Rolly, where's the... Subscribe for me now, please. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Is it? Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Is it? G them, it's simple. When a female walk out and you don't like her, what you do? And if you like her, what you do? No, you don't understand. If you don't like her, what you do? And you, what? Yo, you don't go to school. If you don't like her, pop your balloon. If you like her, if you want to bring her on a date, you keep your balloon, okay? Yo, make sure I big up my big bad sponsor, Rogue Automotive. If you're there overstate, and you want to jump in a Jamaica and you want a car to rent, Rogue Automotive, okay? If you want an early pickup from the airport, Rogue Automotive. Luxury car them do you. That's it. No DB thing, yeah? Got it night like all the time, chips. Alright, watch out, man. I really want an early hug. You see it? Don't panic. You see it? We are do this episode for mommy. She's there in the hospital right now. So, mommy says she wants something for watch. So, give me a hug, please. Like, can I get a hug? Yo, I did always know you're there when I need it. You see it? So big up for that. You see me? Make sure to leave a like. Remember, say, mommy, where I do this for, yeah? The G, them, ready? Yeah. All right, let's go. You ready for the first female? Yeah. Yo, Johnny Star, let's go. All right, then. Come to this side. Alright, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Introduce yourself.
So, hi guys, I'm Sunanda. Most know me by Ali.
Ali, alright. And what type of job do you do, Ali?
Promotion dancing, me. Me an ambassador, I'm host events also. I do Kingston and battle service.
Okay, we just want to hear. And when it comes on to a male though, what's your type?
Once you have a head pan your body and know what you want, I'm like a guy we work, Like I'm not like lazy man them.
You like a working class man?
Yeah.
Like what, any work or 9 to 5 work?
Any work, it no matter once I make a bird.
Okay, like all right. And what's like an ideal first date for you, like a?
I'm not really specializing at the dating still.
You know, like dates?
No.
You know date?
No, I'm not date.
So what you do? You not go pan, you not go out
I go
and-
party.
Oh,
It's a party girl.
Oh, like, so the first day would that be go to the party?
No. We already know each other. What do we do already? What kind of go to party? We go to party after that.
I don't understand. I don't know each other. I want to do what?
You get the concept. All right.
All right, shout out to social.
Moa Ali, MUAH_Ali.
All right, so we got some pop. We're going to find out why them pop the ballon, yeah? Who you want to start first? Which side? Right, sir? All right, let's go. All right, your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Fire Danny on Instagram. She nice, you know. Just I like them more slim, you know. Yeah,
Oh, so she nice, but you like them slim.
yeah.
All right, and is she a type though?
No, she's not. But she nice.
So you the approach her outside?
No.
No? All right, based on her appearance though, how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
All right, I'm gonna give her 7, 7.5.
7.5. That good, right?
Mm-hmm.
What you like about her?
I like skin complexion, you know, and she have a nice smile. Yeah, pretty much it.
All right. What do you think about him, like, based on his appearance? What do you think about him?
Him alright, him just nice.
I'm just nice. And how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
A 7?
7. Is he a type though?
No, not really.
All right, we just want to hear here.
No, not really.
All right, then, no problem. Let's move on. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Yeah, the Dash President Blue Boss on the TikTok, and I don't think she the type of girl for me, because she says she a party girl and all of that. I've been through all of that, you know, I look somebody where I really want to stay in with and, you know, can cook and do the fair, and you understand? So I don't think she eligible enough. She's still out there in her world. Until she changed the part there, maybe me give her a chance. You understand?
So, in other words, you say she in her fast life still?
Yes, yes. I think she not gonna know what she want. She not know what she wants yet. Is it?
Oh, so you want a girl that can cook and you come home and you and her?
Yes, yes.
So who tell us I can't cook, sir?
I'm not just cooking at the partying.
Party in the night after hours, though.
No,
House
anybody.
clean in the morning when you wake up, though.
No, son,
Food cook in the evening
Listen,
and you
sweetie.
and guy your bed,
Listen,
though.
baby girl.
Alright.
Everybody have access to your out there party, you see me? And I know everybody have access to my woman. You understand? Okay, clear enough.
I get you.
Based on her appearance though, how much did I rate her?
Would I rate her around 5? Yeah.
5 out of 10?
Yeah, 5 out of 10, definitely.
Why?
That's enough.
Why?
Even, you know, come a little better than that. But I appreciate you, sweetie, okay?
What do you mean come a little better? Like, she come as her best self?
I mean, the outfit could then just a little bit better, you know, more attracting. I think if she did wear like a dress or something, you know, yeah, because your body big and shape good already. Is it? That's it.
What do you think about what I'm for saying?
Well, my first thing have nothing to do with me right now. I'm alright.
Yeah, all right.
I'm alright.
Him all right.
I'm alright.
All right, based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
Him not look good for.
Thank you.
So you say him not look
Yeah.
okay. And 4 out of 10, why?
Because I just want to give him a 4.
Is he a type though?
No, I just not like him neither.
Why you don't like me?
I just not like him and I need to explain myself.
All right,
Let's
sweetie
move
girl.
on to the
Okay.
next.
Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Taylor. That underscore sensual killer that underscore. Our social media platform.
Why you pop your balloon?
We have a little thing out there earlier, so I kind of know what she about. You see me? So yeah.
Little thing when you separate everybody, you there one place, she there one place.
What did that talk? So I kinda, you see me? So she know me at all, but we not gonna say it over the camera, but she know me at all.
You know what she all about. What you mean? You know what she all about.
I know what she all about. Just know say, you not gonna step on the camera, but me know what she's all about. Am I lying?
Like, tell me I know you.
Alright, okay.
Oh, you don't know him?
No.
What you talking early?
Alright, based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
8.5. You see me?
What you like about her?
Thing the ear just step on her, it's just neat. She come out in her little thing there, show up, you see me? And she sexy and everything, you see me? But she know why I'm pop my balloon. She know why.
Alright, based on film appearance, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Good, 1 9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah, but that's still not me, man. Your friend, man. I like you for that.
Okay.
Why I give him a 9?
Cause him look good.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh God.
Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
All right, my name is Dimitri. Social media, Dimi was here. Dimi _ was _ here. Why I pop the balloon? Your profession. I can't do the dance and the late night thing. Can't do it. I'm insecure. I'm jealous bad. Can't do it. Not at all. Sorry.
Oh, so you're jealous?
Of course. I don't want to have a woman that everybody can see her certain way, you know. I want her more cover up, you know? And especially late night, and I won't always be there. Yeah, man. Can't do it.
Even if you drop her off and pick her up back?
When I drop her off now, I want to come back and watch. Come on, if I'm my woman, I'm supposed to watch her though.
Every minute.
All right, that is it. Yeah, that is true.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Not to lie, so I give her a 6, a solid 6.
6 good in a yearbook?
Yeah. You know, above average. Slightly above, yeah.
All right. Is she a type?
No, not necessarily.
What do you think about him based on film appearance?
Man, I like body built guys. Man, I like slim niggas.
No problem.
It wouldn't necessarily be my type. I like him height though.
Or you not like him body build?
Yeah, but I like him height.
So if him did slim and tall, him would be a type?
Maybe he would have stand a chance.
So how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
A 5.5, 5.5.
5.5, 5.5. Two of them that different.
Man, I know.
Okay. Good?
Go do that, man.
Come on to this side. Wait for me now. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
You know, one top coat, you know what I mean? I really should look good, you know, I'm not telling a lie, you know. Me a 360 there. What them do? I know you. Alright. I just one thing I pop my balloon. Not one, but probably about 3 or so. You partying, you see me I say? Come in really party again. You see me like goat. You see it and the late night come in and them thing there. You see me, I not like them something there. I mean I like woman that work in a bar and woman where dance and them thing there. You see me? A road and them, I not like them something there. You see me? You know, and if you say, yo, I'm jealous, you know. But certain things I not like see or think about. You know what I mean? That put me up in my feelings. I mean, I get corrupt. So, I stay far from that. You see, but otherwise, that they look nice, you know what I mean?
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
One 8. But I give her 8.
Is she a type?
Yeah, man. Yeah, so she strong. Nah, say if you look still, but she strong. You see it?
I never had a look, bro.
Strong, man.
What do you think about him based on him appearance?
Boy, him alright.
How much did I rate him?
Your pants could have look looser though, too tight. But him alright, me da give him a 7.5.
You're gonna give me same number when me give you.
Alright, may I give the 8.
Me not like that. That hypocrite. That hypocrite.
Oh, so you have same pants.
Yeah, him pants could have look a bit, you know, baggier.
Nah, me get to you, sir.
All right.
Yeah.
Go down to this side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
I want Taj Reynolds, T Reynolds _ Well, I pop my balloon still. She's a girl still. She work in a bar still, but me's a girl. Me's a man still. I don't really look them type of girl still. You understand? Look a girl where go work and come in, she cook and, you see me? easy herself, wait until me reach in, talk about some things. If she's a genuine girl like that still, you see me? Yeah, but she nice looking, her body nice, she shorty. Supposed to have a really stronger type, but he's a man still, I'm like tall girls still, you see me?
Oh, so she's too short.
Yeah.
And how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Well, I give her a 6 still. Yeah. And a big one, I give her a 6. She come out good in her pink still. I like her hairstyle.
What do you think about him based on him appearance?
Well, him dressing simple and cool. I give him a 5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why? Why 5? You see him just in
Him-
simple and
it's
cool.
Simple and cool, so a 5.
Yeah, but yeah, that sound like a compliment.
It is a compliment.
But 5, you give him 5?
Yeah, a 5.
Good?
You work with it, man.
Alright, come down to this side. Alright, come. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, so the man name without a balloon. Walk with grace for me now. Alright. So we have one male without a balloon. We're going to find out if we have a chemistry, alright? Alright, so right now we have to just find out if we have a chemistry, alright? Alright, just use that the mic here. Yeah. Your name? Social?
You don't know one rap batting at the jazz, man, believe, man.
I'm not here, my G.
You don't know one rap batting at the jazz, man, believe. On the TikTok, one _ that _ rap, but Instagram, Rushi _ Z-Tech.
Alright then. You have a chance right now for asking him a question and get to know him more, alright?
Alright.
Alright, well, I'll start it off. What's the question for him?
What you look for in a girl?
Honesty and loyalty.
Honesty and loyalty.
That's it.
Yeah.
What else? What other question?
No have no more questions.
Alright, ask her a question.
In the next 5 years, raise yourself.
When I'm a house, I drive. That's supposed to can happen before that still.
Own your house and drive.
You have a next question. You so good.
No, we are talking about.
Girl, you so good. I love them infinite.
That's understandable.
Believe.
Bro, I think this was a match, bro.
If she no monkey, is a no, really.
If she know what?
If she is not a monkey, is a no.
Monkey, you know what monkey mean?
No, sir, I forgot to ask him the one day.
Really, me say if she is not a mockers, is a no.
So it's not how much?
It's not a match.
Alright then. Walk it grace for one of my G. You never feel a little chemistry with him?
No, sir.
You never feel it?
Eh.
Him throw you out for the question?
Yeah, it upset right as a man.
Oh, like something. Alright then, cool. Alright, so it wasn't that much today. You know what you have to do?
Walk with grace.
Walk with grace.
Surely will.
Live. Where them get them worried at? What's a mucky, bro? What's a mucky? Yo! Alright, watch your man. Make sure to leave a like. Remember, big up my big sponsor, Rogue Automotive. You see it? Yo, Rogue have some luxurious car. Yo, you want an X4 for rent? Rogue Automotive. You want a new 2024 car them for rent? Anywhere you want to go. You don't know you have a little business meeting and you want to step out clean one way. Rogue Automotive. You see it? Follow them on Instagram. Make sure you link them. Tell them it's really so easy. You know. They are special discount. Okay? Remember, we are doing this for Mommy. You see it? Mommy, if you're watching this, I'm on your TV, okay? Okay. Yo, the next location. Team, what you say? Kingston. Next location, Kingston. Linstead. Linstead, who forgot back. Linstead. Yo, the next location, Linstead. You see me? So the Linstead people, them who say, really? Me never know, say, you come Linstead. We are coming to Linstead next week, all right? Make sure to leave a like, subscribe below. Live boss, big up for the visual. Hear that? You ready? Yeah. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Bring her in. Bring her in. Come to this side.
Good night.
Introduce yourself. Hi.
Hi, I'm Naomi. It's the real Naomi on Instagram.
Oh, Naomi. All right.
Yeah.
Naomi, what type of job do you do?
I work in customer service, so I speak to white people.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And when it comes down to a male, though, what's your type?
Someone who's not braggy, really chill, knows how to treat somebody and knows how to talk to people, because obviously me I go want to talk to my more you talk to are nice. So you got to know how to talk to people.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's about it.
Oh, so you need somebody that's good at communication.
Exactly.
All right. And like, what's like a red flag when it comes down to a male, though?
Just when you're too braggy, I don't like that. That's a big turn.
Bro, she said braggy already in her early part.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right. So, and like, what's like a red flag that you love, though? You know, a lot of people say, this is my red flag, but you love it about a male.
Mm? I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
All right, no problem. All right, what's the perfect first date for you, though?
Something really chill, really sporty, cause I like to compete. So it's like anything that we get to play games or compete and have fun.
Oh, so it's not directly on the date, just the chemistry you guys build.
Exactly.
Oh, definitely. And shout out back your social?
So again, it's the real Naomi on Instagram.
Instagram. All right, no problem. All right, so we got some pops. We're going to find out why them pop the balloon, all right?
No problem.
All right, then we'll start right here. All right, let's go. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
You don't know when what in the chance, man, believe, man. But me want back on balloon still, because me a game it still in a roll, and she said she like to play a game, you see me? Me should have wait for you, me a game it, man.
Oh, so you want back a balloon?
Yeah, man, I want back on balloon.
All right, so we're going to move forward. I get him a balloon.
No problem.
This side, right, sister? Right here.
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Taylor, reason I pop my balloon now. She fine and everything, you know, but the slim, not my style.
Makes sense.
You see me?
She fine and everything, but...
The slim, not my style. You see me?
So why your style?
More like slim ticks. Slim ticks.
Well, you just say slim is not your style?
There's a difference, really. Slim thick.
Okay.
So them have a slim and?
Me more body. If I under, yeah,
okay.
little more body.
Cool. That makes sense.
Yeah, but not too oversized, but yeah, depend on a level.
Okay, all right. All right. All right. When it comes down to our appearance, though, how much would you rate it from 1 to 10?
10. She's fine. Tell her that already. She's fine.
What you like about her?
360, please. Look on that, Rolly. Look on that, no? Yeah, 10.
10.
10.
What you like about her, though?
Alright. First in face. She have a cute face. No joke about that.
Thank you.
Well, I can't really go in a second.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Based on his appearance, how much would you rate him, though?
All right. So on appearance, looks, and everything.
Yeah.
Looks, it's definitely a 9.5. I like chocolate men.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Or 9.5.
Yeah, definitely like chocolate men.
Is he a type, though?
Physically, no. But I like the way he talked to me. Yeah, that was respectful. I like everything I said. So yeah.
Oh, so like you're...
That baby girl. We are here for that.
Oh, so you're kind of high on talks, like if I'm on talk. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, no problem. Let's go down. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One top coat, you know. You know my style. But if you was my type, you know what I mean, I tell you why I would have pop my balloon same way. So you say, you know like man chill, me not chill. You know like man braggy, me brag about myself, I'm confident. You see me I say?
Okay.
What else? Makeup thing, I know my style. I don't really like makeup.
Okay, cool.
Like if you see
cool.
natural face and thing, you know. Yeah, and me no like woman with petite.
Makes sense.
See what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So that. And then sometime me don't know if you talk to people can might come off in a wrong tone.
Oh, okay.
You see me? So
Cool.
them they are my problem.
Yeah, so we definitely
Yeah,
could
we
match.
can't match.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, but you work on it though.
Yeah, me I work on it. You know time as
That's
time
good.
goes by. It
That's
tree
good.
no bend yet. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah.
How much you that rate her from 1 to 10?
That girl want 9 because she look good. You see me I say?
Appreciate
I
it.
just need to compliment the color them more. That's all.
What do you mean by that?
She have on 3 different color. So me I say she can come like his slippers can match it top.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
you know?
yeah. I
Yeah.
get what you're saying.
Yeah.
But
I need it more.
a style.
Yeah?
Like a style it now for coordinate.
Yeah, but if I style, put it together, make it look blend in. You know, make it resonate
Cool.
with each other, or make it flush, make it look flush.
So like a fashionista, you're a fashion man.
That's
No,
what I was
but
just gonna
me
say.
kind of put my brain in them things there sometimes. You know what I mean? Yeah.
What you say no?
Like
Yeah, based on his
Rate?
appearance and what him have to say.
based on what he said, like I agree. Not ever like my body type is not gonna fit everyone. So that's completely fine. Everyone have them preferences, of course. You're not chill. That's on you. That's what I like. Yeah. Everything when say understandable. Yeah. Everybody have their own preferences.
Hold on, me can ask you a question?
Yeah.
You classify chill and humble as the same thing?
Yeah. You got to be kept to yourself. You got to be chill.
Oh. So I guess me I mix up your word, but sometimes it depends.
Yeah.
If me there around people who I'm not used to,
Yeah.
it will be like that. But once
Yeah.
the people when me there around,
Of course.
Yeah,
If people
yeah.
them that so
Yes, good.
yeah. That's expected.
So I saw me stay, but me still not chill.
How much you that rate him from 1 to 10?
I'm from 1 to 10.
Yeah.
Love is honesty is definitely a 9.5 again.
9.5 because of the honesty.
And the tats, I like the tattoos and everything.
Thank you.
And well, eye contact and shit. Yeah. Okay, good.
You say, Constant Spring. No, you say eye contact, me and say Constant Spring, water flow.
I guess.
That's
What you mean? What that mean? What that mean?
Wait, man.
Oh.
Go on.
Okay, all right. Come to this side.
Okay.
Okay, all right then. Okay. It's Constant Spring, I never know. All right, balloon. Eh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, no. Yeah.
Wait.
Make it see. Make it see.
What you say? No, him want back in balloon, so him have to get back a balloon.
No.
Him have to get back a balloon and then.
Make him see without the balloon. It's good that he popped.
Send it down.
Pop it again. I beg.
Send down the balloon. All right, him the one back a balloon. So, all right. So the man name out a balloon. Walk with grace, wanna please. All right. So, what you're gonna do right now? This is a pick for you. Pop 1. No, pop 2 males based on appearance.
Appearance.
Yeah.
Appearance.
Yeah. All right, your name?
I want to rap Batman believe.
All right, rap, but you pop your balloon, then you went back for it. What's the reason?
Cause she said she have one game that me love play a game too, you know.
What kind of game you play?
All type of game, man.
Okay.
Wood in a hole, purple touch, any game.
Expected?
I mean that.
You have one game named that?
But it is unsaid expected. So yeah, it's cool.
Like a board game come up with that? Them have a-
Really? Really?
I mean invent the game, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're an inventor. Okay, oh my bad. Oh my bad. All right, this spanner appearance, how much did I rate her?
But that girl want 8 still. I don't really love you slim as them still, you know, but she carry herself good. But that girl want 8.
You thought that?
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
But, all right, so she's slim, so she's not your type?
Not really, but she said she like games, so me that just kind of
Consider it.
date outside my type.
Oh, okay. All right then. Based on his appearance, what you think about him?
He's okay.
He's okay?
Mm,
All right. How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
1 to 10. 6?
6.
Yeah.
Rude.
Hmm?
Rude.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's go down the line.
No problem.
We're here. Your name?
Dodge Reynolds, T underscore.
Why did you pop his balloon?
Physical attraction, honestly. Yeah, but that's just it. Yeah.
No, that's it. All right.
Yeah.
So it's a physical attraction thing.
Yes, it is.
How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Appearance 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
That's good.
I like how his colors coordinate, as the last guy said. But yeah.
Thanks.
No problem.
What do you think about her based on her appearance?
Well, she look nice. Slim
Appreciate
girl.
it.
At least I like her style, you know?
Thanks.
Like how she do her hair. At least what she says she don't really like.
Yeah.
My type of vibes still, you know?
Yeah.
Through the eye contact. But that's alright still.
Yeah.
Me give her a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Is she a type though?
Well, yeah. Like her.
All right then, my G. Bless you.
Yeah, cool.
Coming on to this side. All right, so the man named out a balloon, or I could grace someone, please. All right, so it's your chance right now to ask each of them a question. We're gonna see if there's a chemistry, okay?
All right.
All right then. We can start right here.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
All right. Your name?
It's at Instagram Friday399. At Instagram Friday399.
Oh, Danny. What's Danny question?
Yes.
2.
2 questions? All right, cool. How would you like describe your a chill first date? Just like a first date. And let me see. Are you an animal person?
Yes, I am.
Oh, cool. That's good.
And the first question, how would you describe your first
Date.
first date?
Yeah.
First chill date or first date?
Just date. Yeah.
To be like getting to know each other, easy going, not too big, yes, but romantic, yes. And that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Okay, cool. No
Yeah?
problem. Yeah, that's all right.
On to this side.
Hi, good night.
Your name?
The Dash President Blue Boss.
What's his question?
Oh, the same as his. The same along the
Can
line.
you repeat, please?
Oh, no problem. So, like, how would you describe a first date? And are you an animal person?
I'm not a animal person like that, but I guess if my girl like animal, I'll try to like
You're
it for her.
tolerated.
Yeah, and getting to know you before I actually bring you on a date, because what to say if I bring you on the river and you don't like river? You understand?
Makes sense.
So yeah, I like to get to know what you like first before I take you out.
That makes sense. Yeah. I like that answer.
Okay. Yeah?
Yeah.
Your name?
Dimitri.
Same question?
Same question.
All right, same questions. All right, start out with animals. I'm not necessarily animal persons, but I don't have a problem with animals. Like, I kind of like dogs, not so much cats, but yeah. And in regards to the first date, I'm gonna be very specific because you already gave me a hint. So you say you like to be competitive and you like a gaming. So to be specific, somewhere nice like I would say in St. Elizabeth you have Camp Harry where we can do ATV and laser tag. You know, and there are some other competitive games that we can do well. You know, rock climbing, all those things. Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Sound fun?
Yeah, definitely.
All right. Come on to this side. All right. So what I'm going to make happen right now, you're going to pop one male balloon based on the answer that you got, or probably not the vibes you're not feeling, all right?
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So just pop one.
All right.
All right. We stay right here. All right. So why you kept your balloon all along?
She's amazing. Loving her uniqueness from night,
Oh, she have a uniqueness about her.
Yeah, that's like it.
All right. And based on her appearance, though, how much would you rate it?
10.
10 out of 10.
Exactly, yeah.
All right. What you like about her makes you get that 10 out of 10?
She's slim and she's unique. And so let's give off the uniqueness this way. I'm drawn to her.
You.
I like it.
All right. All right. What do you think about him?
Sorry. What do I think about it? Off appearance,
Yeah.
I like how you dress. It's good. Appearance, like rating.
Yeah, and what he said, though.
Oh. Rating, I would give based off appearance. It would be a 9.5. I like the way you dress and everything, and I like dark men. What else?
What did you say? Like, what do you have to say about what he said?
Oh, I appreciate the compliment. Yeah, I didn't see you since Macomb, so I wasn't even looking at anybody, so. Yeah, but the reason why I'm a pop, obviously why we're here, is I feel like we just wouldn't match. Yeah, you kind of look nervous, like timid.
What? You can sense that from?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, like, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, like, you kind of match it right now. You want to make sure you feel it off the bat.
Exactly, yeah.
Nervous? Look nervous?
You do look nervous. It just looked like we wouldn't match.
Why you say that?
Because, like, I don't know.
Oh, yeah. All right, then. Just like a feeling, like an energy. Okay, then. All right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
9.5.
9.5.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. It wasn't that much to them, IG. Or I could get someone, please. Come down to this side, Maji. All right. So, you guys are going to get a chance to ask our 2 questions, and we're going to see if there's a chemistry, okay? All right, then. You first.
Do you have a type?
Yes. For answer at the same time?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, I like, as long as you're taller than me, that's fine. Or my height. But I don't really dig short men. I just don't think I can take short men seriously.
Okay.
Yeah.
Am I your type?
Yeah, you do fit my type, yeah.
Okay.
That's the second question?
Yeah, cool enough.
Oh, that was the question. All right,
Okay,
cool.
Okay. Let's go down the line. All right. What's our question?
All right, so my first question is, what is your ideal first date?
Oh, something chill, as I said. I don't like ice cream, but I would go to Devanos if it's a case where the person who I'm with like ice cream. Just go there to talk, chill, walk around, or go to Buzzers, somewhere where we can just have fun.
All right, cool. And the second question is, you say you like to be competitive. What if you lose? Will you be upset?
Well, yeah, I'm not going to stop until I win something.
All right, noted.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, that's it? All right, come to this side.
Really,
All right, my G's. I want to know if both you guys are keeping the balloon still, going on to the next round. Keeping it? Keeping it? All right, cool. Back to you, right? All right, let me know if you want to ask a final question before you pop, or you just want to go ahead and pop based on the chemistry you're feeling. You know Ocean, you're feeling more. You want to ask a final question or move on?
I'm thinking about the question that I would ask, though.
All right.
Where do you live? Like, when you live boy near, far, like, one if like in my vicinity, if not understand.
Yeah, I'm living in Red Hills Road.
I don't want to be too specific, but I live in Kingston, not too far from here.
Oh, okay, cool.
That was the final question?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, you just wanted to, you don't want out of tone? Okay. All right, so pop 1. Let's go. All right, my G, you have a state why you kept your balloon all along?
Because she looks gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie. I like the slim physique, and she talks or she expresses herself. Really well put together. I like that.
And how much should they rate her from 1 to 10?
9.5.
9.5.
Yeah.
Why? Like?
All right. as you can see, although she's a sing figure, she does has a nice shape. Her face is very beautiful, and I can see beyond the makeup that she's really naturally pretty. So, yeah.
And is she your type?
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Appreciate it.
Why you pop his balloon?
I just had to make a choice.
No problem.
Oh, just a choice.
Yes. Yeah.
And based on his appearance, how much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
Appearance wise,
Yeah.
10.
10?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
And based on like the chemistry that you guys are feeling, how much would you rate it though?
9. Yeah. Chemistry wise, yeah.
All right, my G, it wasn't that much. What could Grace Woman please? All right, right here, all right? So what we're going to do right now, we're going to ask some important questions before I ask my important question, all right? Yeah, all right then. We're going to start over here, my G. You.
If I gave you $1 million, what would you do with it?
Well, honestly, I would build a shop for my mom. Yeah. She wanted to do, like, she needed a better shop to do nails and hair, so I would just get that done for her.
Okay, so you would turn the $1 million.
Flip it so that it will give me income. But yeah.
Okay. Are you submissive?
Yes. Like, depends. On and off. Like, not fully, but on and off. That shit.
Okay.
All right? Any
With the
questions?
music?
Yeah.
You like you have enough woman? You have enough woman?
No. I don't.
So that's what you do, like, mainly for job?
Yeah, and I have like bikes in Seven Crave Company and buy and sell cars as well.
Oh, okay, cool.
That's it? Any more question for her?
No, more than I like her.
All right. Okay. All right, so I'm going to ask my important question. Is this how much for you, Maggie?
Yes.
It's how much for you?
No hesitation, yes.
It's how much for you?
Yes.
Okay. Is it how much for you?
Yeah.
It's how much for you?
Yeah.
It's how much for you?
Yeah.
So we have a match? We have a match! Yo! Come on! Close it up! Yo! Yeah. More excitement, please! Bro, I feel the chemistry. Oh gosh. Alright then. Alright, so in this episode, we're giving away a big, fat, flat screen TV. So everybody that is in the video, they will be participating in winning it. So, una get a chance for can dip on a date and, you know, Netflix and chill. Walk with Grace Woman, please. Bro, I know you feel that too. Bro, I know you feel that too. I know a spark right now, electric.
Feel it.
Come in, let's go. Alright, so watch now. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Remember, Linstead next week. So the people them who want to link up for Linstead, make it up me. You see it? Yeah. Make sure to leave a like because remember what we are doing it for. Aye, mommy. Feel better soon. Hear that? Come to this side. Hello, right here.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Yana.
Yana. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Yana. I'm 27, and yeah.
What type of job do you do, Yana?
I work in something like beryllium.
Oh, like, okay. Okay, no problem. And when it comes down to a type, like, what's your type in men?
Gotta be ambitious, self-driven.
Yeah.
My motivator, your motivator. Yeah.
Oh, your personal motivator.
Yeah.
All right. And what's like a red flag when it comes down to a male?
A liar.
You don't like a liar?
Nah. Tell me the truth even when it hurts.
Small lie, big lie?
Tell me the truth even when it hurts.
What's an ideal first date, perfect first date for you?
Go to the river, something chill, laid back.
Laid back?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you from? I hear your accent.
I'm from Toronto.
Toronto in
Yeah,
the
big up the
building.
six.
Okay, in the building.
Yeah.
Show to the social.
On TikTok, it's cinnamon.raisin, and on Instagram, it's yana.__.
All right, bet. Nobody popped the balloon.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. So it's up to you right now. Let me get a pic. So what you're gonna do right now, you're gonna pop 2 male balloon based on appearance.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Let's start right here. Come over. Your name?
FireDanny399 on Instagram.
And what type of work do you do?
I'm a chef, certified.
You can get back a balloon? Okay, I'm sorry.
Huh?
I'm sorry. Continue.
Yeah. Okay. And what do you think about her appearance based on 1 to 10?
Yeah, 8. She's okay. I like her complexion.
Why you pop his balloon?
Nothing really. It just didn't really match for me.
Him never match?
Not for me.
Oh, not for you. Like, okay. Is he your type though?
I would say so, something like that.
Something like that, but you end up pop a balloon?
Yeah. I asked to get by the balloon, but
No, it's his choice, that's why.
Oh, it's his choice?
Yes.
Oh, it's up to him then. Go on.
Yeah.
Can you give me a balloon, man?
Oh, you want back up?
Yeah, you take it.
Okay, give him back a balloon. Let's go down the line. Come.
I'm done. I'm so upset.
Come.
I'm done now. Bye.
Come here.
Oh, God. I'm so upset.
Yeah. She gone because... What?
Sound like she get her much already, so what me I waste time for?
I wouldn't do much, I'm short.
She just walk up because him get pop. Find out. Call her back. Yeah. Give me a minute, people. We'll find out what. Give me a second. So she just popped the balloon, but give me.
Monday.
She threw me off. Why you kept the balloon all along though?
No, I don't want to hear her out still. I want to listen to what she have to say. Because maybe going for talking, maybe a chemistry could have built.
Okay.
Pop a balloon.
Oh, she pop your balloon.
Yeah.
Oh, you feel
Can
about
I
that?
go, please?
I feel now we are still. You know them where they roll it, we are money now.
All right then, miss. Why you pop his balloon?
It just wasn't a match for me. That's
It wasn't a match?
For me, that's it.
Match or type? Which one?
All the above.
How much did you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Give him a 5. Can go on.
5 out of 10?
Can go on.
We're gonna go down the line. But why?
Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Leave him for last? All right.
No, make him go on. In pop a balloon. Make it go on.
All right. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One top cool, man. One problem, pop a balloon, man. Let's see makeup. You know, I'm not too fancy makeup thing. You know what I mean? More see a woman real face before me. You know, make certain approach. You know, that's me that I like a natural look. You see what I'm
Okay,
saying?
Rolly.
Okay.
I don't want to cut you.
Oh, so basically just our makeup. Okay. How much you rate her from 1 to 10?
You get her a 9.
9 out of 10?
Like a look of fluffy thing that she have on there.
What do you think about him?
He's good too.
How much you do?
Confident, you know, cause my sister she kind of drop it little cause you know.
Are confident?
Can't take it.
You pop a balloon and something. So.
I'm
Oh.
upset. Me grieve.
You agree?
Yeah.
That's why you walk out?
Yes.
We got uncle.
You know what happened? At the rum talk, you know.
All right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
I'll give him an 8.
8 out of 10. All right. We're going to come right here. Come. Finish it off and that's it.
Skip.
Come, we're going to finish it off. My G, your name? Dimitri. All right. So you held your balloon, but why you popped it all of a sudden?
All right, the reason why I popped it because it seemed like she had a match. Because she asked for him to get back his balloon. And she seems like she's like a chef and stuff, and I'm not a chef.
Use the mic.
All right, go on.
Oh. Oh, so basically, you pop your balloon because she react to.
Yeah, she basically said her type. So.
Okay.
Okay. Miss.
I'm still here. I'm on the sideline. Don't worry.
Okay.
I'm still here.
Wait.
All right, so how much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
No, she actually looks good. I actually like everything about her. I like the black on black dressing. I like the tattoos I see. So I'll give her an 8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Is she a type though?
Not necessarily, but I mean, I like the accent and everything. So, you know, sometimes you can try something new.
You see all them something, yeah?
Okay.
Rolly, I'm done now.
Come to this side, mama.
I'm leaving Rolly.
Come to this side.
No, Rolly, me I left.
Come to this side. No, just finish that. Come.
I'm finished.
All
Go
right.
on, all right, go on, Rolly, go on.
All
go
right.
on,
So
go on.
basically, what happened? Like, was he the person that you wanted to match with? That's why you.
Not anymore because he popped me.
Oh, so you felt away because he popped.
Yes, I feel a big way. Man, he's okay.
All right.
He's-
All right,
I'm
if-
just
if
trying to be
I was-
nice. I'm
all
just trying to
right.
be nice to
All right.
everybody. Trying to be
But-
fair.
Yeah, but no.
Okay,
if
but
you're
still, I'm just trying to be nice.
All right,
so-
if you come in and you say you know what you want, you should just been direct and pop everyone else's balloon and just come to
All
me.
right, all right, all
Same
right.
time.
All right,
And that's
all
what I'm
right,
saying.
I'll give you that. A spade,
You know?
a spade, a spade,
Go
a
for what
spade.
you want, because if
Okay.
I was here, you don't want me to do the same thing, right?
One chop city is all right.
Oh, so basically, how she excited about the next
I
guy?
was just being nice, like,
And
oh
ask
my
me,
gosh.
well,
Oh,
That's
so,
okay, it's okay. I'm gonna call a spade a spade.
So how did you felt about?
Rolly,
I just want to know.
rewind the tape and you see how me feel.
All right, no problem. Okay, come to this side, man.
Rolly, me done.
No,
Me
come.
done. No, I'm done.
No, finish. We have for walk with grace. Come in.
just pop for me and make me go away.
Come in now and stop. Mash up the program now. Come in now. Yo, man, I broke up the mic. The Canada people always want to mash up my mic, you know. All right.
Rolly. But I take this, you know. I'm done.
You feel away because the man
Yes.
pop.
So I'm gone now.
So you feel away. So why you make the chef take back a
Because I
balloon?
just try go on and I go on, you know what I say?
Yeah, but you shouldn't take back the balloon for chef.
But still, I just try go on. It's all right. Me done talk and the rum talk.
All right, hold on now. Miss Lady.
Want to see me, huh? Me gone.
Bro, because our match pop the balloon, she just. Bro, what this, bro? Toronto. I don't want. Kingston, let me hear it. Yeah. We're gonna bring in the next female. Let's see it. All right, let's go. Make sure leave her like. Man, them look forward. Whoa! She not in her frame, bro. Oh man, bro, she never did in her frame. Introduce herself.
Buenos noches. My name is Miss Chin.
Miss Chin. What type of work do you do?
He's a vixen, swimwear model, and an event promoter.
Or like a businesswoman? Oh, you remember the mic here? All right. And when it comes on to like a male though, what's your type? What do you go for?
Dark skin.
Yeah?
Maybe my height are taller than me.
Yeah?
I don't know what. I don't know
Dark
what
skin,
else.
maybe a eye taller than you.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
it?
Yeah.
That's your type? And what's a red flag when it comes on to a male though? What you hate most about a male?
If what would I say no? What would I say? Well, I'm going with
Make you go on meds. All right.
red flag.
Yeah, what's a red flag? You don't really like when a male.
If I me, I feel continuously I pay for everything straight and him can't do nothing.
Oh, you like a man who can meet you halfway.
Yeah, meet
Or-
halfway.
Or pay everything. Which one?
No, meet me halfway.
Halfway.
Because sometimes they must struggle too.
They must struggle.
Sometimes some of them struggle too. They must say, we young, you know.
Oh, so you see them must struggle. Okay. Shout out to social.
On Instagram, it's Chin City, _.
All right, Chin. We got some pop. We're going to find out why them pop the balloon. Where do you want to start? Can we start down there?
Sorry, dear sir.
Yes, sir? Okay, no problem. Let's go. Right here, sir. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
You don't know one rap bat in the jazz man pan the TikTok, one _ that _ rap bat, you see me? And on the Instagram, I rush it _that_ZTech, you know.
Why you pop your balloon?
I want stickers too, so I don't really do stickers. I like it thickers, you see me?
Oh, you say stickers?
Yeah, she too slim. Not even too slim, like 3 slim. I like thickers. I love them thick.
Oh.
I want browning still, because I love for browning, my dark skin, but that's not really my style.
And when you say your style, meaning type?
She could carry herself better. The toenail I want to do. I don't know if a JLP that one day I say still in that day.
Who?
That one day, I don't know if a JLP that say, see one that one day green. I don't know if a JLP that say or PMP that day. You couldn't do. No one disrespects you, but you couldn't carry yourself better. And the ring they pay your finger, I don't know if I fully guard up or what. You see me?
No.
So then popcorn ring there, should I show them up before you reach, you know?
I went to a anime con though, so I purchased the ring.
Oh, so you like cartoon, them they, you left them in your yard when you come place appropriate, you see me?
Boy.
Oh, so you like anime and them thing then?
Yeah, I watch them thing, the stills.
Okay. How much you rate her from 1 to 10?
-0, really. Honesty, really.
All right. What do you think about him and what him have to say?
Female opinion.
Yeah.
You have a type.
Yeah.
I don't know how I carry myself, I just... But two of them, as him say, yeah, I take off. What you call them thing, they press hands?
Yeah, bucket toe.
Yeah, it fuck up my toe.
Yeah, that one day I said JLP.
Yeah.
Jamaica Labour Party.
Yeah, you're my dog.
Yeah, so JLP have to win election that year, you see me?
But time
One
come,
bro
man.
God.
Time come.
No, man, the time can't come. You don't bucket two and it has said JLP already.
Oh, I say a sealer.
I thought more a sealer, really.
All right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 2, man.
No, Batman number that. I don't want that.
You have to go take it.
Give me 0 and
You
done.
have to go take it.
No,
Take the
give
2.
me 0 and
Take
done.
the 2.
You can't give me 2.
Take the 2.
Give me 0
take
and
it
done.
2. Take the 2.
Let me take it 0.
Take the 2.
Oh, so you give him a 2 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why 2?
I don't know, just give him a 2.
Him just look like a 2?
Yeah.
You alright?
I'm gov.
You sure you alright?
You gov?
Me blood killer. Call like you're a mad girl. You alright?
I'm to the brother, yeah.
All right. Let's go down to the side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Taylor. That _ sensual killer. You see me on the gram. You see me on the 5 me, you see me? Alright then, one pop my balloon, bro, me don't tell you say this, you see me, the slimmers, them are not my style, bro. You see me, them have a slim thick, like a body, you see me? Not oversized.
So she no slim thick?
No, sorry, really, I'm mad. She can't give me a 360 still. I'm a rate her. 360, yeah, babes.
One at a time.
Alright, no problem.
All right. How much did you rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her a 7 still, you see me? Because regardless, she try to put herself together. Apart from the JLP thing when I step on the tour, as well as the GSA, she put herself together.
You said try, why you said try?
2-piece this.
Huh?
That these 10 2-pieces she have on. See me, she show us she a tiger. Yeah. And she out there, you see me? Mm-hmm.
All right. What do you think about him and what him have to say?
As again, female opinion, you have him type. That cool, man.
Yeah. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Same 7.
7 out of 10? All right.
Reciprocate, you see me? We know them style is it. We know them style.
Why you give him a 7 though?
Dark
Me give her a 7.
Oh, dark skin. Oh, you like dark skin. All right. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Dimitri. I pop the balloon because you say you're a video vixen, and again, I'm jealous bad, I'm insecure bad, so really wanna work out. And the later was on them stuff there, now I go work out.
Alright, so when you say insecure and you're jealous,
Yeah.
true, you say the other female them wind up themselves and rub up on the artist them.
They might out of my head.
That out of your head?
Yeah.
I don't say nay, but I just business.
No, I do understand you got to do what you got to do, but it's just not for me, honestly speaking. So again, I must commend it though. I like that you come out natural and everything because you're naturally pretty. Like no makeup, no nothing needed, no lash.
Thank
Love
you.
that. Again, you're very beautiful, but again, the even worse, you're beautiful. I can't wait for I go out and a guy feel like he can talk to you or, you know, take you away from you or something. You know, and like I kind of get old now, so I can't do the stalking too much.
Oh, so he's a stalker?
they have to watch good things, right? Yeah.
Low key like man watch me still.
Oh, you like when man watch you? You like the stalker thing? That show there. How much should you rate her from 1 to 10?
All right, I'm gonna give her. I get like a 7.5, honestly speaking.
Okay.
7.5, good. All right, what you think about him based on his appearance?
Dog calm stills. Nothing wrong with you. To your brown skin. And it piss me off. I like my skin color as a man.
Him skin color piss you off?
I like brown skin man. I like brown skin man. See if you're the dark, near me up.
Appetite.
Speechless.
All right. And you give him how much out of 10?
Give the dog a 6.
6? Good?
So you go, man. Yeah, man.
All right. Let's go down to the side. Your name, why you poppy? Your balloon?
One top coat, you know what I mean? Well, you know, I'm not do a bones thing, but I say is. You see, when you do over this and you ask a certain question, I say like, yeah, your zone out or your brain are there. You see me when you ask you what you type and them thing there.
Who that?
You.
Which one of them?
What do you mean by which one?
Which one of them?
The first question, you ask you what you type and them thing there.
Oh.
Like you zone out. You don't
I'm
know what you
not
want.
zone out. I'm not zone out.
You don't know what you want.
I just saw my stay.
What?
So I stay overall.
You don't know what you want.
So I stay overall. If you ask me a question, I'm going to think about it.
No, but you're not supposed to think about it if you already know what you want. It's supposed to be in your brain like
But-
something scripted.
I'm hold it back.
What you hold back?
That's the next question.
That I want to know.
But as I stay, as I say.
I'm asking you a question. I don't man you look.
No.
So where you come here so far?
Every time you come here, you must see where you come here so far.
You can't say you come here every time you come see me because one time you come on the show. You come on it 1, 2, 3 times. And that's a debt. So you see this is your final time. So here what we are going to do. We are going to redundant you.
Can you spell
See
that
me I
word?
say REDUNTDANT. Redundant. Bye.
How much should you rate her from 1 to 10?
1, 2. 1 feet top and 2 feet. Yo, not joking. Yo, 1, 2, 1, 2.
All right, bro.
You see me? But just be more mindful of what you want. You see it? Sorry if it's hard, man, but just be more
That's
mindful.
not hard yet.
You not hard yet?
Mm-mm.
Oh, me stop. Sorry for you now.
All right. How much should you rate him from 1 to 10?
Give me 1.
1 because
I know him from school days. Ever wear some tight pants, him not ready yet.
What school at?
Just calm, see.
also from school,
You
man.
don't know me.
No,
She
no.
don't- You don't know me.
Of course I do.
From which school?
Just calm, see. From say school
You know him
days,
first.
just know.
You know him first name then.
Whenever in a same
don't
class
know
or
me.
grade, but school days.
She don't know me, eh?
All right. Come to this side.
Lulu.
Come to this side. All right. The man them without a balloon. Walk with grace from now, please. All right. Maggie, come to this side. Maggie, you don't have a balloon. Walk with grace from now. All right. So we have 2 males right now with a balloon, okay? What is going to happen right now, what you're going to do, we're going to find out their name and you're going to ask them a question, all right? Good?
All right.
Your name?
Danny.
Danny? What's Danny question?
All right, so I can say Mr. Danny?
Sure.
All right, yeah, give me that vibe there. All right, Mr. Danny. What would I say now? Where would you take your girlfriend on the first date?
Depends on the type of things that she like. If she like movies are some adventurous, some romantic, They say girlfriend, so so that would be my girlfriend.
All
I already know
right.
things about her for carry out when I did.
Okay.
Any more question?
So, well on there, Mr. Danny, well on. How much round you feel you can go?
May I repeat?
How much round you feel you can go?
I'll be honest with you. About 2. Or 3.
2 or 3?
It depends on the length of it.
Like how long?
Yeah.
See, because me a cool, I'm like them long thing there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We are happy back.
Yeah, circling back. Okay. Your name?
Touch.
What's his question?
All right, Mr. Taj. I'm going to ask you now. Yeah. How old are you?
Me?
Yeah.
27.
You're 27?
Yeah.
Would you be interested in dating someone on the first time, like the first time you see them, and you get to know them on the town and talk, and the girl just pop up and say, I want you buy some furniture for me, or buy some tile and cement and them thing there? What would that be your answer?
Well, if it's an investment still, like in a house and stuff like that.
Yeah, like she want to refurbish her house or build it or something.
All right.
So you'd pay for it?
Yeah, man. Yeah, start a life.
Okay.
So I look out for certain financial like that.
So why your red
Business
flag?
wise.
What's your red flag?
What's my red flag?
Mm-hmm.
My one red flag still. Depends upon how you correspond to me. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
If me I go trust you. You understand? If he's a girl that I can rely upon until I say, oh, all right, did that thing there. I did it. You see me? So, for instance, me I can correspond that way.
So, last question. What you say your name again?
Taj.
Last question, Mr. Taj. You like females do a switch?
Switch?
Yeah, switch.
What do you mean?
Not sexual wise, as in, like come dress like girl now,
Yeah.
I switch it like a man.
Say like it dress like appropriately like a male. Like a. Say that one dress like me.
Or better than you. So,
Well, it all depends still.
is that yes or no?
No.
Alright.
So sometimes I just like a man? And just better than him?
Can dress better than any boy.
Okay, all right, come down to the side. All right, so pop 1 male balloon based on the chemistry. Pick. This is for you. Pop 1 male balloon.
Mr. Taj.
All right, come right here. All right, my G, state why you kept the balloon all along.
Well, she's a nice girl still, you see me? As what she says still, she don't like black, she don't like brown man still, a black man she like, you see me? So, all depends still, you see me? Fair choice.
And you black or brown?
Well, he's a brown man still, you see me? But based on how you working at it.
Son.
Work ethic.
Oh, like your son and thing.
Right. Okay. Yeah, so.
Okay. Understand.
I do my thing differently, you understand?
And based on her appearance, how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
Well, I give her a 4. Yeah.
Why 4?
Well, why 4 still? She not really my type still, you see me? Yeah. I like them too slim.
Slim?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. What do you think about his appearance?
Mr. Taj can't see, man, but
Can't see.
could have wear one different shoes. Clark's man still in a way could have beat something else.
Yeah.
He's not the type for like come and bash and shame people like what everybody else have tried do.
Yeah.
So me I tell you, you should have beat something else, man, dog.
Oh, like him shoes?
Yeah, but you're calm still.
Calm.
Respect.
And you rate him how much out of 10?
I give you dog a 5.
5. All right then, come to this side. Maggie, walk with Grace Mona, please. All right, so we are down to 1 right now. Is there any question you want to ask him? Mr. Say, ask him a lot of questions were important to you, right? Mm-hmm. Is there any important question for you to ask her?
2 questions.
All right.
Describe 3 things about you.
3 things about moi. I'm funny. Me not like road. And I can dress.
Okay. Are you loyal?
Loyal, far or short.
As in, are you a loyal girl?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's it.
That's it? Any more question for him?
May I ask you the same question I asked Mr. Taj?
What's that?
You like girl with switch?
Elaborate for me, please.
Like when I dress like female now, I'ma switch it up and dress like boy.
No.
You know like that.
I think we can adapt.
Meds or rebel dress.
Or sometimes she just like a. Oh, so yeah, so she just jump in a different fashion and, you know?
Switch it up.
Switch it up.
I'm gonna try adapt to it, to be honest. Yeah, but I know it's my style for me. Perfect girl. Just like switch up in a man we are like, you know? Yeah.
Oh, you feel like she'd have put on your pants and thing?
Not necessarily, but yeah.
Something in that line.
Yeah.
All right? Good?
Alright.
All right, so we're going to find out right now. I'm going to ask my important question. All right, so is it that much for you, my G?
Sorry, I have to decline.
It's not that much for you?
That's a proper vibe.
All right. Why? You kept your balloon all along, though.
Well, it's slim and I got a vibe as a company, but switch up thing, I'm not gonna really say something I'm not too unsure about. And
Oh, like the clothing.
Yeah.
Oh, she changed.
Instead I feel like, you know, I'm gonna make a like a liar or something.
Oh, like you would have tried, but you don't know if you'd have like it.
Fully go with it.
And why? That's why you pop your balloon.
That's the only reason. I would have, you know, kind of drop that.
Oh, drop that little style.
Yeah.
Are you willing to drop that type of dressing? So just like a man?
Switch it. Why switch up money
As
already?
in like, as much as I can dress and in the fashion world and them thing there, so if me tired for beat like heels and them thing there, short skirt and short and pussy print and rock something different.
What kind of printer?
Pussy print and them thing.
Okay.
Rock something different, comfortable.
How much you do you rate her from 1 to 10?
9.
9.
Solid.
Alright, what do you think about him based on his appearance?
Him calm and
Calm.
from come and see him just keep to himself.
You like that? Or you like
that.
a more laid back man?
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you feel about him popping the ballon though? I never had asked that.
Could I keep it still?
Oh.
Yeah, fuck up, you gotta see his style.
Okay. You wanna see his style? Okay. Alright. How much did you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I give him a 8.
8 out of 10. Alright, my G, it wasn't that much today. Work with Grace Woman, please. Like, it did seem as a match.
Yeah.
Wow. And him just pop it. Part of a life. Alright, then it wasn't that much today. Work with Grace Woman, please. Bro. She said more while she had just take him pants and just jump in it and wake up on the road. So the man said, no, you're mad. You know what for the pants them? And pop. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Want a next hug. Because I love you. You're supporting the video. Like, yo, big up the people them who come back for the hug them. Yo, security guard them who watch a night shift. Yo, big up the night shift people them. Big up the salon people them who have me on the TV just a play. Yo, big up every entrepreneur. You see it? I need a hug from you guys. Come on, let's do this. Thank you so much for that. You see, we are sending the next female. Come in. Let's go. Bring her right to that side, yeah. Kingston. Kingston City. Come to this side. Wait a minute! Bro! she not even coming in her room yet, bro. She not introduce herself, bro. All right, introduce herself.
My name is Drizzle, aka known as Drizzy Boo. Who know me, who don't, just don't. Okay.
Hey, Drizzy Boo, what's good?
I'm great.
All right, so what type of job do you do, Drizzy Boo?
I am a chef slash baker. Yeah.
Oh, you're a baker and a chef. Yes. Wow, all right, that's good. And what's your type? What's your ideal type of man?
Somebody who loving and caring,
Mhm.
romantic.
Yeah?
Yeah. And be real. You don't have to hide yourself.
Oh, like you don't want like a shy romantic guy.
No.
Okay.
real.
Oh,
Be you.
oh, so when he's around his friend and you say love you, he's supposed to be like,
Yeah, I love you back.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. And what's your ideal first date?
Picnic on a beach.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm romantic, so.
Oh, you like
expect
those
that.
stuff, like.
Yeah.
All right, come to this side. Come over. Oh, you like a rose petal and thing.
Yeah.
All right, all right. Shout out the social for me.
My name is Drizzy Boo on TikTok. One TikTok.
One TikTok. All right, so we got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. We're gonna start from that side and come down. Good? Let's go. Right here. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Man, touch. Well, she's a nice girl still. I'm going to pop my balloon still. Because really, I'm really my type of girl still. Because her ear and I really do want, you see me? Too. And stuff like that, so.
Oh, she's not a type of girl because her ear?
Yeah, man.
So you're a type of girl, ear off a like.
Man, she have to do her hair and fix herself according to like how she's supposed to dress or go out. You understand? Yeah.
All right. And basically, like, when it comes down to her appearance, so how much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Well, man, that give her a 5, you know. So, yeah, that give her a 5.
5 out of 10.
Yeah, come like it blue. Yeah, man.
Just the blue get the 5?
Yeah, just the blue get the 5. Yeah, man.
What do you think about him based on his appearance?
He's a nice guy. I'd give him a 6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why 6?
Because his appearance is very formal and I like it. Yeah.
Oh, you like his appearance. Is he a type though?
No, not my type.
Not your type.
Yeah.
If he like approach you outside of here, like, you know, would he have got your number?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, man.
All right, come down to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One top coat, you know what I mean? You know, a pretty girl, you see it? She look good. You know what I mean? I just say outfit show me off. That's all. You see me? If she put herself look better, you see it? Yeah, probably should I get a chance, but I don't like your outfit. That's all.
Like outfit as in like what she wear?
Yeah, you dress. I don't like it. You see me?
No, I'm gonna dress, bro.
It like give me antique vibes, you know?
Antique?
Yeah, something old. You know, something where that we go downtown. The antique that we go downtown and the bucket hat. I don't like a combination. It just not resonate. You get what I'm saying?
I don't understand.
A bucket hat. You see me? You know, when you go to town and you just comb out your ear and drop it on and then just drop on sitting if you go down there and put on your slippers. I saw the vibes that I get from it. I don't like your outfit.
All right, bro. All right. What do you think about her? Like, how much would I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Otherwise, from that, I give her 1 5. Is it?
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Like, all right, so 5 good for you in your shoes?
Not really. But she pretty, is it? Yeah.
All right. What do you think about what he said?
I agree with you about my outfit, but anyway, I'll give you the same 5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Is he your type though?
No.
No. Why?
I know my type when I see it.
And you're seeing him and he's not?
No, he's not.
Good?
She good, man.
All right, come down to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Dimitri, and I popped the balloon because, honestly speaking, you're just not my type. It's not my speed. Yeah.
Okay. Based on her appearance though, how much would you rate it?
Honestly, I'll give you a 5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
All right, why you give her a 5?
Because to be honest, she's just kind of normal. Yeah, so I'll just give her a 5.
But you seem like a normal youth.
Yeah. But, feel me? And again, now, could I really put ourselves a little bit more better together? The bucket hat is just not it for me, honestly speaking. Yeah.
Or saying that you're not a bucket hat type of guy.
No.
You own a bucket hat?
No?
What do you think about him based on his appearance?
He's okay, but it's still not my type.
He's not your type?
No.
Yeah, she knows what you want, right? Yeah.
All right. Let's go. I didn't ask you. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10, though?
He's a 4 for me.
He's a 4 out of 10?
No problem.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Taylor. And the reason I'm popping balloon is, alright. I have a problem with her in her really. And I realize it. Because she's nice and everything. But I feel her ear should I do. You see me? If I have a little gel and do a little edges or something, get what I say? Just that with me.
Bro, she have on edges, bro.
I don't see none. The bucket that I hide it. Just that. Everything differently, good. But just a little, just the ear me have a problem with. She could I do her ear and make, you know?
But you can say she have good ear.
Exactly. That's why should I do it? Yeah. That's why should I do it? Now no problem with the ear, babes. No problem.
All right, so is she your type, though?
Yeah, but alright. Really, we're not going at that, but she, you see me? She has thick. You see me?
Oh, she's a slim thick.
Yeah.
Oh, so you been and say you want a slim thick.
But when I go reason why I pop my balloon.
No, but she had a slim thick you wait pan.
Yeah, but me now go in a way I pop my balloon.
But she had a slim thick you wait pan.
Yeah, but when I go why I pop my balloon. If I get what I say.
I don't get it still, but I understand.
Alright.
Understand. And you rate her how much out of 10?
9.
9 out of 10.
Slim thick.
Wow. Okay. What do you think about him based on his appearance?
8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Is he your type though?
Kinda.
We know them when we see them, you know. We know them when we see them. But as I tell you, just the ear. You see me? See if I hear they do, we are walk out.
Whoa.
You see me?
But it's not on first impression all the while. Is that the thing for you?
That last.
First impression last.
My grandmother always tell me that. Last.
Hey, grandmother, you agree with?
Okay.
You rate him. How much? 8?
Yeah.
All right, come down to this side. People, make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. You see, the battery them a go fast. Come to this side, come over. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
I don't know. I want to rock button at the jazz, you know.
Let me get some volume, G.
Yeah, I say, I don't know. I want to rock button at the jazz, you see me? Pan the TikTok, the 1_that_rat_BAT, you see me? And pan the Instagram, Rushy_that_Z, take you know.
Why you pop your balloon, G?
She's just not my style, bro. Yeah, her belly big. I don't like that. She kind of have a Humpty Dumpty shape. She shaped it. I mean, I like that. I like my girl and put together perfect. So when you say your body big and one thing, one fall, I find that no say, all right, I want big body girl this. Her belly big and her body flat, that not gonna work, bro. She look like a man in a despicable me, bro. I don't like that, dad.
All right, bro. How much should you rate her from 1 to 10?
No ratings, really. She could have carried herself better. She look like one of them women that go down a town go beg. This African make no sense. She still a Jess, she should have still home.
All right, cool. Is he your type, though?
No.
He's not your type?
Gosh, no.
Gosh, no. All right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10, though?
0.
0 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why 0?
The disrespectful.
Yeah.
Keep it neutral.
Neutral.
Respectable everywhere I go.
If I keep it neutral, I'm going to lie to myself, and that's what I hate to do.
I trust the honesty, I rate the honesty, but
I hate to lie to
you
myself,
could coordinate yourself a little bit better.
What I'm saying is you could do better with your dressing. Your fit is
I
not
wear whatever
given.
I feel comfortable in.
So you
and
come
if
as...
you can't take me like this, don't take me forever.
Me not going to take it forever because your shape bad.
Thank you. Much appreciated.
All right. Relax, bro.
Remember me over there, you shape bad now, no worry.
All right, back. Come to this side. My G, your name, why you pop your balloon?
Danny. She's okay, you know. I just One question. Why you wear the bucket hat?
Because the bucket hat is my style.
Like
And
your
if you
signature
can't-
style.
If you can't accept me like this on a first date, then when we're married, oh, you gotta accept me if I take off the wig or the makeup.
Love that.
So this outfit, you would wear it on the first day?
No, I wouldn't.
Oh, okay.
But this is a test run for you all.
All right.
This would be a test run to know, okay, to find out the real you on the inside.
Right.
Not just physical.
Right.
Okay. All right. I'll give you an 8 though. That's just not my style, you know? The outfit and everything. But when I give you an 8.
But even though she says it's a test run,
So that, you know, them say first appearance are the best, you know? Even though the test run, you know.
you really get test.
Guess so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, how much would you rate her from 1 to 10? 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Is she a type though?
No, I them slim, as somebody tell her.
Oh, slim.
Yeah. But all right.
All right. What do you think about him based on his appearance though?
I give him back the same 8.
8 out of 10?
Yes.
Is he your type though?
No.
No, he's not. All right. So when you say test, is it that you like a guy like you for who you are?
Yes, and not for the fake version of me.
A lot of time. Oh, so when you doll up, you're
Yeah. They like the dollop section.
And you're not
I like
like.
to be real. This is me. And if you can't accept me like that, then walk.
Everybody without a balloon, walk with grace. How many, please? So they didn't accept you for who you are, but I love your confidence. I love how you actually test them. And a lot of times we, like more physical than what's inside, and what's inside lasts forever,
Yes.
Wasn't that much today? Walk with grace, someone, please. Yeah. I love her, bro. Her confidence, like, her smile, she smiled through everything, Yeah. Alright, so watch now. People, remember to GoFundMe in the link description, is it? In my comment section also. When you're in the comments and I write a comment, stop past the GoFundMe, put $1 in there. Because I need to go. My team and me need to go to England. You see, I'm not bad enough, but the people them who are sending $5 in our PayPal will take $2.50. I don't know, you see it? So the GoFundMe there? Let's do this, you see it? Alright, my G. Please, no. My G, wait until she reach right here, son. What? No! Come, wait until she reach right there, son. Bring her in. Please. Make sure you reach right there, son. Yeah? Please, yeah? Look forward, my G. Everybody look forward. Look forward. Come to this side. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Good night, gentlemen. My name is Monisha.
Moisha. Yeah. What type of job do you do, Moisha?
I work in the private sector.
Okay. All right. That's good. When it comes down to a male, though, what's your type, though?
In all honesty, there's not really a specific type. As I said, just somebody respectful,
Yeah.
honest, responsible, and hardworking.
And what's a red flag when it comes down to a male, though?
Dishonesty.
Dishonesty, like a truthful. And what's an ideal first date for you?
I'm pretty simple, so probably a dinner date, a picnic, nothing out of the ordinary, just something simple to get to know the person.
Or like a quiet, intimate place?
Not necessarily, but nothing out of the ordinary.
Okay, all right. Shout out to social for me now.
IG, Unique Mo. That's UNIQ_MOE.
All right, bet. All right, so we got some pop. We're going to find out why I'm pop the ballon, all right?
Sure, no problem.
All right, let's go. Your name? Why you pop? Your balloon?
One top coat, You know what I mean? One of my type, Yeah. I'm gonna like our overbite. You see it?
What's an overbite?
Buff teeth. I like it buff teeth.
Okay.
You see me? You have nice eye and thing. I see buff teeth and a small body and my thing,
Okay.
Yeah. But otherwise from that, you're alright still. You know what I mean? I can go on. Yeah. But I give her 7.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Is she a type though?
No. Too thin. Too small, bro. You know me like my thing, man.
Me no know.
Me always say it,
Automatically, you think me know?
Yeah.
Me no know, yeah?
That alone, bro.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, then. What do you think about him based on his appearance?
He's okay. I'd rate you a 7 as well, and I appreciate his honesty.
A 7 out of 10. Is he a type though?
Not really.
What not really mean no, yes?
Why not really?
Because I'm small, so I'd prefer somebody around my size.
So indecisive.
Not really, no. But
Everything I not really. All right. I get you.
All right, come down to this side. All right, so my G, without a balloon, walk with grace from now, please. Let's get a pick. All right, so it's down to you right now. You're gonna get a chance to pop 2 male balloon. It can base on appearance or it can base on a question first, all right? Go ahead. Any two.
okay.
Just 2. One more. All right, stay. Your name?
Dimitri.
All right, Dimitri, why you kept your balloon all along?
She looks nice, very decent, put together. You know, man, such work in the private sector, so you know now for watch her one here.
Oh, yeah. More.
Yeah, more, you know.
All right, what do you think about her appearance? How much would you rate it?
I mean, looks nice. Skirt kind of a bit short because she's struggling with it, but you know, looks nice on her overall.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How much would you rate her?
I give her a 7, solid. I'm sorry, very put together and you know, nice and natural at the same time.
Oh, you like a natural?
Yeah, definitely.
What do you think about him? And why did you pop his balloon?
Why I popped your balloon is because I prefer somebody around my size because I'm small. But he's cool and I appreciate honesty, so I'd rate you 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Is your type though? Oh, your type is more.
She don't want a teddy bear. She don't want a big boy who can lift her up. You know? Yeah.
Okay? Yeah, let's go. Your name?
Well, I'm Taj.
All right, Taj, why you kept your balloon all along?
Well, she's a nice young girl. Can short and look good. Well, you can see she know nice work and thing, isn't it? So she kind of independent still, isn't it? She says independent. Which month about?
August.
Independent month, you see it? Yeah.
Oh, independent month.
Yeah, independent month, isn't it? So.
What would you rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Is she a type though?
Yeah, man. She's short and she look good, isn't it? Me and her make a good eye contact, is it? So. One of them things still, is it?
All right.
Sorry for who she like, is it?
Yeah?
Okay.
All right, what do you think about what he said?
He's cool. Honestly, I kind of misjudged because looking at you, I thought you were rough.
I'm look rough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's why I popped my balloon.
Yes, because the type of work I do.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I have to look kind of more mature thing, you know? Yeah.
Okay.
Are you reconsidering? You want him to...
No, that's fine.
Okay, all right. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
I'll give you a 7.
All right, thank you.
Yeah?
Come on.
Come down to this side. All right, the man them without a balloon. Walk with grace from now, please. So we're going to try to narrow it down to 1. So you're going to ask each of them a question, and we're going to see if there's a chemistry, okay?
Okay.
All right, start right here. Your name?
Danny.
Good night.
Good night.
My question for you, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
See myself?
Mm-hmm.
Owning like 2 restaurants, and you know, I want to have 2 restaurants because I'm a chef, so I'll be more successful and more largely known. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it? Your name? Your name?
I don't know. I want to rap but in the jazz, man. Believe it, man.
What's his question?
Good night. My question for
Good
you.
night.
What do you do for work?
Me,
Mhm.
me a air conditioner unit fix and I do TikTok.
Okay.
Yes.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. Your name?
Taylor.
What's his question?
My question for you. How do you feel about being a stepdad?
Good. Actually, if you take up a woman that baby with kids, eventually them have to be your kids. You have to show them the love and the respect what they need. Mm-hmm.
That's
Okay.
it? That's it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, come on to the side. All right, so what are you going to do right now? Pop one male balloon based on probably the answer that you got, or you're not feeling the chemistry. All right? Pop one. All right, don't move. Don't move. All right, but why you kept your balloon all along?
Me I get fear out and so style, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, you like what you see?
Not really still, but me just say that take a chance here. Me see say she that try put herself together.
So you that take the chance?
Yeah, me I just run the risk, but see she pop my balloon, so now it's time to play the game.
What do you mean by that, bro?
Remember, my world in a roll, they want to pay for living on it, you know.
Oh, sorry. Why you pop his balloon?
Just not feeling a chemistry, that's all.
Or the chemistry and I see it connecting. Is he your type though?
Not really.
Not really. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
A 7.
7 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
If he approached you outside though, would he have gotten a chance?
Maybe not.
Okay. All right then. My G, what do you think about her appearance?
Me don't say 0 really. Yeah, because her shoes not giving it a show yellow and white. Me don't know what take place there, so. Yeah. And then now the next thing now when I go move forward to I take them a show 2 color. Me don't know what them a try say there, so me can't understand why the chemistry they say, isn't it?
Bro, you kept your balloon. That simple mean you like what you see, bro.
Me never say me like when me say me just did a hear her out.
But yeah, that simple means say give her a chance.
Yeah, bro, but me say she that try to get her look herself together. And that note, me just see all that they know upon her foot like her. I don't know what that is. If it's a chain where she put on her foot and an anklet that fit dash way. And the shoes they fit dash way and left her yard to her play ball in her cause of 2 color shoes I say.
Alright, bro. How much did you rate her from 1 to 10?
0.
Was it that much today? Or could grace from now, please?
Sinful.
All right, so guys, we're down to 2. So you're gonna ask her a question. It doesn't have to be one question, but I want to find out if she is the one. All right? Good? Let's go. What's her question?
Are you an optimistic person?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay. How many kids you have? How many kids you have?
What if I say 5?
It means if you're being honest. It's 5 you have?
What if it's 5?
Okay. How do you see yourself in the next 5 years doing?
Doing?
Yeah.
A retired small business owner.
Okay. All right. That's it.
That's it?
Okay.
All right, let's go. My G, you're going to get a chance to ask her some question, all right?
You want me?
Maybe.
Okay.
Any more question?
No.
That's it? Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Do you want to ask any one of them any more question?
No.
No? You good? All right, so you're going to pop one balloon based on who you're feeling more, all right? So you're gonna pop the one that you're not feeling more.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. After find out why you kept the balloon all along.
Although, slim, she short, man, I give her a pass. Huh? Yeah, like her.
Oh, you'd have give her a pass because
Yeah.
even though she's not slim,
Yes, she have a uniqueness about her, I'm like, yeah. I'm gonna go for that feeling there, you know?
oh, she have a unique thing.
Yeah, the type there, yeah.
Or say you can't read her. Unique mean like you can't really put a hand on it. You have to just get.
She does have some about her, I don't know, you know? Figure out, yeah.
Yeah? How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, 9.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
She's a type, you say.
When I pass her, man. I was in, yeah, smash her. But, you know, slim as I'm a type, but should I, yeah.
Should I?
Yeah, fit it.
What do you think about him? What do you have to say?
He's cool, ambitious. I like that. I'd rate you a 9 as well.
9 out of 10. Is he a type though?
Kind of.
Kind of.
The fact that he's ambitious.
And why did you pop his balloon?
My reason for popping a balloon.
Yes, what's the reason?
Because you mentioned what you do for work. It's nothing to do with your job, but I don't want it to be a case where, you know, people feel like it's based on a materialistic reason why I chose you.
What do you mean?
It's just kind of a stereotype. So because you said that you're a multi-business owner, you said that you have 2 businesses?
Not yet. You asked me, like, what do you see myself in 5 years?
Okay,
That's
my
it.
bad.
Okay. Yeah.
Sorry, I did wrong. I thought you said you had 2 businesses.
And just
I
have a
didn't
little
want-
small settings at home for now. Weekend. I'm under the Friday, a restaurant. But that's a
Okay.
start off. You know, I'm going to reach there yet. But the 5 years time, I will.
Okay.
God's time.
Understood.
Yeah. Okay.
So you misread him?
Kind of, but it's fine.
It's fine. You want him to get back a balloon?
No.
No?
It's fine. How much, bro?
How much did you rate him though from 1 to 10?
9.
9 out of 10. My G, it wasn't that much today. Walk with grace, woman, please. Okay, we're down to 1 right now. And is there any more question you want to ask him?
Yeah.
Yeah,
one more
okay.
question. Are you an adventurous person?
Most definitely.
So you're adventurous?
Yes.
Road trips?
Yes.
Okay.
Me and the bros. And
Okay.
you, including you.
Okay.
And any more question for her?
Max, already in a rollie.
Oh, you asked her the question already?
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask my question now. All right, let's start with you, my G. Is it how much for you?
Slim tick.
Is it how much for you?
Slim tick.
Slim tick, that mean what? Is it how much for you?
Most definitely.
Is it how much for you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Is it how much for you?
Yeah.
It's how much for you?
Yeah.
It's how much for you?
Yeah.
So we have a match? So we have a match? Okay. Ooh. Ooh. All right. So right now, I just want you guys to give me this and just walk with grace together, guys. Yo! Bro, just get that next match, bro. Yo, man, I feel them chemistry live. You never see it? They match like it, same color too. You know, see 2 color power couple. Bro, yo, man, I love everybody. Yo, I love everybody who watched to the end. This is the end of the video, people. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Remember, the next video is Linstead. We're not going to see Kingston. We're going to say, which part we are going back again? Live. We are going back everywhere. We are going back at Ochi. We are going back at, not Hanover. No St. Thomas, though. More here. Yo, my love, you know, I can get a final hug before I go. Thank you so much. You see it, mommy. Big up yourself. You see it. Everything will go good. You want Sunday. You see it. Big up yourself because you know my mama's boy, so I love you. You know. This is for you. You know. To get late, so you don't have visiting time and thing. Got in there like all the time. Make sure you leave a like and see you when I see you. Let's do this. Chips.
This banana chips for you.
No, for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make your crunchy, crunchy.
GCT forever and ever. We say goodbye.
Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Girl, them say my dream of a boss. Roll to 200k. Get me a like, comment, subscribe.
It's a banger! Alright, look at it. Come to this side. Wait a minute! Bro! Bro, she not even coming in her room yet, bro. Why you pop your balloon, Maji?
She's just not my style, bro. Yeah, her belly big. I don't like that. She kinda have a Humpty Dumpty shape. She shaped it. I mean, I like that. I like my girl and put together perfect.
Whoa! She not in her frame, bro!
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
One top coat, you know. You know what I mean? You know, one of my type, you know? Yeah. I mean, I like her overbite. You see it?
What's an overbite?
The buff teeth. I like the buff teeth.
And what type of job do you do, Ali?
Promotion dancing, me.
To your brown skin, and it piss me off. I like my skin color as a man.
Him skin color piss you off?
I like brown skin, man. When I like brown skin, man. See if you did dark, near me up.
Appetite. Let's go down the line. Come.
I'm done. I'm so upset.
Come.